here's another real quick and easy recipe for those days that you've got other things on the go. You just want to throw something into your slow cooker, which will be ready at dinner time that everybody will enjoy. So tonight I'm going to make meatballs in mushroom soup, basically the go-to sauce for any quick meal that you need, and a little bit of chicken broth to clean out those cans. So yeah, let's get cooking. So it's very easy. First, to go and get some frozen meatballs from the grocery store. These are Italian, I believe. Go ahead and dump them into your crock pot. Then you're going to grab your mushroom soup. I'm using 2 cans. I like a lot of sauce. This is going to go over just regular noodles. There you go. You got your 2 cans in there. Take your chicken broth. I'm only going to need 1 can of chicken broth. You need a little bit of extra liquid in there. Like I said, this nicely cleans out your cans. Go ahead and dump that in. Then these, like I said, they are Italian, so they do have some flavor. But I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of extra. So I got some Montreal steak spice here. Quite a bit of that. And then a little bit of garlic plus. You can use whatever spices you like. If you don't like these ones, go ahead and just add whatever flavors you want. And there you go. You're going to put the lid on this guy. Set your slow cooker to, I'm going to go for 8 hours on low. This will be done before that, but because it's about 4 hours till dinner time, I don't want to overcook them on high, so I go to a low setting. And yeah, these should be ready in about 4 hours. And we'll come back, we'll make some macaroni, and we'll add it to this, and you'll have yourself a good dinner. Just a quick side note, you are going to want to give these a bit of a stir up if they were in a big frozen clump like mine were. And you want to get the soup all mixed in with that chicken broth. That way it creates a bit of a sauce like you see here. There will be a little bit of liquid that comes out of these meatballs because they were frozen. So this will there will be a little bit more sauce here at the end. This is a good time if you want to add extra spices. You can add some onions or some garlic if that's what you so desire. This is basically just a slap together meal. Do with it what you want. And sometimes I'll even add bacon to this. So it's been a couple of hours, and let's see what we have. Oh boy, there you go. Cooked meatballs. The sauce is nice and reduced. Give it a quick stir. Oh yeah, that looks absolutely awesome. Now all you want to do is add some macaroni. You can add a little bit of cheese to it if you want a cheesy macaroni meatball creation. And there you go, you got yourself dinner. Once you've strained your pasta, I went with the twirly stuff. I can't pronounce the name. Something starts with a kappa. I can't pronounce it. There you go. You got yourself dinner. I'm going to add a little bit of habanero cheese here on top because, I mean, why not? Just sprinkle that right over top. If you really wanted to, you could add some peas, carrots, frozen peas and carrots in here. Give yourself a vegetable. I didn't do that. You can also use gravies or whatever kind of soup you really want. This is kind of just whatever you want to make. But the real question is, how does it taste? So let's try it. Ooh, I can definitely taste the spices I added to that. And the meatballs are nice and tender and moist still. I'd say this is a success. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you again later.